In the gravitation, next topic is gravitational potential energy. It is defined as amount of work done in bringing a body from infinity to a point in the gravitational field is called gravitational potential energy. Let the earth of mass capital M and the object of mass small m is placed at infinity. Let the object is moving from infinity to a point towards the earth due to gravitational field. Let the object is at the point A. The distance from the center of the earth is x. So we can apply Newton's law of gravitation. We can write F equals to g, mass of earth, mass of object upon distance square. Let the object move from A to B. The small displacement dx. So small work done dw. This is F into dx. F is gmm upon x square into dx. Now we can write dw gmm x power minus 2 into dx. X power 2 will shift in the numerator. It will be x power minus 2. Total work done we can calculate by integrating. So we can write dw is equal to gmm x minus 2 into dx. Object is initially at the point infinity and it come to the point P. So the distance between O and P, this is R. So we can integrate between the limits infinity to the R. So we can write W is equal to G mm. We can write here minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, infinity to the R. Now we can write W is equal to G mm x minus 1 upon minus 1, infinity to the R. Now we can write W is equal to G mm minus 1. This is 1 by x, infinity to the R. W is minus G mm. Now we can write 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. So W is equal to minus G mm 1 by R minus 0. So W is equal to minus G mm upon capital R. This work done is stored as gravitational potential energy. So W is equal to U. So we can write here U is equal to minus G mm upon capital R. This is required expression for the gravitational potential energy. Next topic is gravitational potential. It is defined as amount of work done per unit mass in bringing from infinity to a point. Let the object of mass m is placed at infinity. Let it is at the point A, which is at a distance x from the center. Earth of mass capital M. Object of mass is 1. So apply Newton's law of gravitation. F is equal to gm into 1 upon x square. Let the object move from A to B through displacement dx. So small amount of work done dw f into dx. F is gm by x square into dx. Now integrating the expression from infinity to the point P. So dw is equal to gm 1 upon x square infinity to the point P, which is at a distance r. So w is equal to gm. It will be x power minus 1 upon minus 1 infinity to the r. W is equal to minus gm 1 by x infinity to the r. W is equal to minus gm 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. So W is equal to minus gm by r. But potential V is equal to W by 1. This 1 is unit mass. So we can write here V is equal to minus Gm by capital R. This is required expression for the potential.